Welcome to Drawsh Studio. Today we're going to do a simple experiment to help us understand planes. Let's get started. Planes are flat two-dimensional surfaces. We use planes to help us analyze and simplify the shape of a three-dimensional object. But it can be difficult to visualize how to turn a curved object into straight-lined planes. So let's physically turn this apple into planes. As you can see, the apple is curved on every axis. So I will literally straighten these curves out by cutting them into planes. If you try this at home, please be careful. The sped up video looks kind of dangerous, but I promise you I was very careful. Now I have the whole middle section as flat planes. And I'll continue to cut away any of the curved portions. As I cut, I put the knife at the corners of each plane so that the new plane has vertices that connect to the previous plane's vertices. So here it is, our planar apple. All the curves have been translated into flat two-dimensional planes. Here I'll shine a light on it so you can see each plane more clearly. Each of these planes connect together to create the essence of the curved apple in only flat planes. We started with this curved object and cut away planes to simplify and understand the three dimensions. Here I've traced the lines so you can see the planes more clearly. If you have watched my other videos on drawing with planes, you will remember I said planes should either be 3 or 4-sided. Here we have a 5-sided plane. In reality, planes can have many sides, but when we design an object as planes, it's best to stick to 3 or 4-sided planes so they are manageable and clear. When you practice your planar drawing, imagine that you're cutting away the curves to help you visualize the planes more easily. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to go to drawsh.com for more information on these topics and many more. If you want to see more videos like this, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one.